My phone keeps on going off because I'm getting messages about how I make my sourdough bread. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it so you can be just as good at sourdough bread making as I am. Let's get into it. I've got Elsie here to help as well. She's not going to help, she's a baby. I hate it when people say, oh, my daughter's here to help. They don't help. Like, she's just going to be sitting there drinking. So, right, let's get straight into it. Right, so add 50 grams of sourdough starter to your bowl. Then go on to your water, and you want 350 grams of lukewarm water. Mix them together with your spoon until all the sourdough starter has dissolved. Then go on to your flour. You want 300 grams of white flour and 175 grams of brown flour. Obviously I didn't do it at this speed. This is sped up. And mix that in nicely. And then add 11 grams of salt. Mix that all in. And it should look something like this. Get a damp towel and just lay that over the top and put it somewhere to rise or prove for 12 hours. You want room temperature, so about 20 degrees. So after it's proved, it should look something like this. I've left this for way too long. It's about 16 to 18 hours. Not my fault, you know, I've got things to do. So get your proving basket ready, put the baby rice into it, make sure it gets into all those little grooves, and then you want to scrape out your sourdough bread starter. And this is where my camera ran out of battery, so I'm going to just have to show you with these images on how to fold it. You want to fold it into itself 4 times, like these images show. Once you've done that, put it onto the counter, and then tuck the top of it underneath, like this person has done here beautifully. And you make that nice tight top, and you need that nice tight top, so tuck it firmly underneath. And once you've done that, you can put it, flip it, so the tight top is into your basket and onto your baby rice, and then cover it and stick it in the fridge. Then get your Dutch oven, shove it in there, the old oven, get on to 260. After an hour, take it out of the fridge, put the parchment paper on it like this, flip it upside down, give it a good old tap, it should drop out, and then you just score the top with a razor blade, however you like. Then take it, stick it in your Dutch oven. Remember your Dutch oven is going to be hot, so use gloves. Then pop it in to your oven, just like that. That'll go in for 20 minutes, then we'll take the lid off and we'll do it for another about between 7 and 15 minutes, but just keep an eye on it. Here I am popping the lid off and then putting it back. I went in for another 10 minutes and then taking it out. Just lifting it out with the parchment paper. Be careful, it's incredibly hot. And there you have it. Beautiful sourdough bread. You can't get any better than this. Well, you could, but not much better. Not as easily done as I've just done it. And it tastes damn good. Enjoy.